I didn't get a chance to do this presentation last week, so I will do it now. Last week I heard a news about that the Morgan Stanley developed a new artificial intelligence agent called Coin, saying that it can reduce the old work that used to take 360,000 hours to several seconds. As an engineer working in this industry, I feel like this work is impressive, but some of my friends in the banking industry, they don't feel like that. Some of them say that, well, I start to fear that I may lose my job. Well, most of others say that this one is totally garbage and useless at all. Personally, I will take both of these two feelings as the fear of artificial intelligence. So I want to spend some time with you talking about how I feel this kind of fear of artificial intelligence. Let me ask you a quick question first. What's the first image coming to your head when you heard the term artificial intelligence? Is it the AlphaGo or the Siri? Someone did this topic? I don't know.
Neural network.
What?
Neural network.
Neural network. Or some very cute robots surrounding you, or some very evil robot like the Terminator. Well, I would say no matter this is a real product in the real life or a character in the movie, it's kind of an image of this artificial intelligence, because AI itself is a very abstract term, has no shape. This image in your head can help you understand this term, but at the same time, it can also influence your feeling about this term. It's very important for you, for me, for everyone to understand what it really means in the real life. Talking about the fear of artificial intelligence, we have to know something about what is AI. According to the Wikipedia, it's very simple. AI is some intelligence built with machines. That's 3 words, built with machine. And actually, if you looking back, the history of artificial intelligence is quite long. If we can define this kind of machine like it can help human with some work that can do something for us, we can call it artificial intelligence. Then as long as there is a human being, there is the idea of AI. Because we are lazy, we always want to build something to do stuff for us, and we want to just lay there and enjoy everything, right? Speaking of the modern artificial intelligence, it starts with 1956 from US. It's a conference academic world. In these 60 years, it has its ups and downs, but if we take it as a whole process, we can say it's much better now. When we are talking about the fear of artificial intelligence, what are we really fearing about? Are we fearing that it may take our job, or are we fearing that it may totally change our lifestyle, or are we fearing that it may kill us someday? Or maybe all of them? Well, I would say that we don't have to fear about that, because we are better intelligence. We are the best intelligence in the world now. We have the ability of hearing with our ears. We have the ability of smelling with our tongues. We have the ability of seeing with our eyes. We have the ability of smelling with our nose. We have the ability of touching and sensing with our skins. Not to mention we can learn, we can think, and we can love. Frankly, I have to say some of the best AI can beat us in most of the ways, including seeing things or feeling things, smelling things, even hearing and tasting. But we have to say that if we dig into the reason, the AI can do this better because it is a better calculator. It's much faster and powerful than us, but they are just calculator. They don't have the ability to learn by themselves. Nowadays, the term machine learning has been quite popular around the world, but I would like to say this kind of learning is not the real learning. It's just the machine doing some job under the model or rules provided by human being, and they just use this thing to find some patterns among all these radios, videos, or text data, and they can find some patterns inside it, not a real thinking. They don't have the process of predicting some stuff. They're just finding the pattern. And yeah, so another very important term about this artificial intelligence is the moral code. There's a very popular topic like the auto-drive car. What if it kills someone? Who should be responsible? Well, from my point of view, when we're talking about the moral code of this artificial intelligence, we have to say that this this stuff of this machine have the ability to learn. Only when it can learn, it can have its own moral code. To me, this machine that can learn is just like a child. It's like a little baby knowing nothing. It's our responsibility to teach it to be good. So instead of wondering what if all the robots becoming evil, I'd like to spend more time wondering how can we prevent people becoming evil. To me, artificial intelligence is like a mystery island. Everyone fearing it kind of, but most of them want to step into it, even just for a little moment. I can't say AI is the future because we are the future, we are human here. But I have to say that AI is a very good tool for us to reach the future. So I'd like to say, why not we embrace it?